Hey everyone, my name is Fadi and I'm the residential assistant here at The Verge. Today I'll be giving you a quick tour to show you what life is like living here. If you're planning on moving in or just exploring your housing options, this will give you a clear idea of what to expect. Let's start right here at the front office. The staff here are super friendly and always here to help. This is where you'll go if you have any general questions. Let's check this unit out. At The Verge, you'll be sharing your apartment with 3 other international students. You'll have your own private bedroom and bathroom, so you'll always have your own personal space. The kitchen, living room, and laundry area are shared, so you'll be able to build connections comfortably with your roommates. Let's check out one of the rooms. You'll get a comfortable, full-size bed, a desk for your studies, a dresser, and a closet for your clothes. One of the best spots on the property is the clubhouse. It's a great place to study, relax, or even just catch up with friends. You'll find free Wi-Fi, comfortable seating, and even a coffee bar to help you power through your day. Also in the clubhouse, we have many fun activities like a pool table, shuffleboard, and also the gym that's open 24/7. Also on site, we have community tennis and volleyball courts. Now, let's head outside. The pool area is definitely a favorite. You can either swim, sunbathe, or just hang out with friends. And right by the pool, there's a barbecue grill area, perfect for cookouts with friends on the weekend. Now is the time. Explore floor plans, rates, and availability using the following link.